Good morning, children. Today we'll study about the types of financial market. The financial market is basically of two types: capital market and money market. Capital market is for the long term investment and money market is for the short term investment. Capital market is again subdivided into two parts: the primary market and the secondary market. In the primary market, new shares and debentures are issued, and in the secondary market, issued shares and debentures are traded. The participants in the capital market are basically bank, investor, mutual fund, LIC and others. This capital market is totally controlled by the SEBI, that is Security and Exchange Board of India. Now come to the money market. The instruments which are traded in the money market are treasury bills, commercial paper, call money, certificate of deposits and commercial bills. The institution which participate in the money market are RBI, commercial banks, investors, LIC and others. Now first we'll study about the money market and then we'll study about the capital market. Money market. Money market is a market for financial security with maturity period of less than 1 year. So any financial security which has a maturity period of less than 1 year is traded in the money market. Market for low risk, unsecured and short term debt instrument that are highly liquid are traded every day. So this money market is a market for low risk, unsecured and short term debt instruments, and these instruments are highly liquid and are traded every day. No physical location by conducted over the telephone and the internet. So the trading in the money market is basically done by the telephone and through the internet, and there is no physical location for this market. The money market helps to raise short term funds and also the temporary deployment of the funds. Now what are the main instruments traded in this money market? The first one is treasury bill. Treasury bills are issued by the RBI on behalf of the central government to meet its short term requirement of the fund. So whenever the central government needs the short term fund, then it says to the RBI and RBI issues the treasury bills. They are issued at a price which is lower than its face value and are replaced at par. So these treasury bills are issued at a price lower than the face value, that is, if the face value is 10 rupees, then the treasury bill is issued on 8 rupees or on 9 rupees. They are available for a minimum amount of 25,000 and in multiples therefore. So the minimum amount is 25,000 and the multiples. They are also known as zero coupon bonds. They are negotiable instrument, that is, they are freely transferable. So these treasury bills can be freely transferred from one person to the another or from one institution to the other. The second instrument of the money market is commercial paper. It is a short-term unsecured promissory notes issued by the large credit-worthy companies to raise short-term funds at the lower rate of interest than market rate. So whenever a large credit-worthy company or large company whose credit is very good in the market, they want funds for a short period of time, then they issue the commercial paper which is unsecured promissory notes, and the rate of interest is very low on this commercial paper than the market rates. They are negotiable instrument and transferred by endorsement and delivery with a fixed maturity period of 15 days to 1 year. So these again commercial paper are negotiable, that is they can be transferred uh, with a fixed maturity period of 15 days, in between 15 days and 1 year. The third instrument of money market is call money. It is the short-term finance repayable on demand with a maturity period of 1 day to 15 days. So it's a very short-term finance which is repayable on demand with a maturity period of only 1 day to the 15 day, and it is used for interbanking transaction. So when the RBI when the SBI needs the money, it asks from the UBI. When the UBI needs the money, it will ask from the Punjab National Bank or any other banks. So call money is used by the interbank transaction, and its maturity period is 1 day to the 15 days. Call money is a method by which bank borrow from each other to be able to maintain the cash reserve ratio as per the RBI. RBI has maintained a cash reserve ratio which is also known as CRR, and to maintain this cash reserve ratio, call money transaction is done by the banks. The interest rate paid on call money loan is known as call rate. So whatever interest is paid on the call money loan, it is called the call rate. The fourth instrument of money market is certificate of deposits. It is an unsecured instrument used in the bearer form by the commercial bank and financial institution. So certificate of deposit is the unsecured instrument, it is not secured, and it is issued in bearer form by the commercial bank and also by the financial institutions. They can be issued to individual, corporations and companies for raising money for a short period ranging from 91 days to 1 year. So these are basically issued to the individual. It can be also issued to the corporations and also to the company for raising the money for a very short period ranging from 91 days to 1 year. Now the last instrument of money market is the commercial bill. Commercial bill is a bill of exchange used to finance the working capital requirement of the business firms. So working capital requirement of the business firm is basically financed by the bill of exchange, which is also called the commercial bill. A seller of the good draws the bill on the buyer when goods are sold on credit. So whenever the good is sold on credit by one company to the another company, then the seller of the goods draws the bill on the buyer. When the bill is accepted by the buyer, it becomes marketable instruments. So when this commercial bill is accepted by the buyer, it becomes a marketable instrument, and it is called a trade bill. These bills can be discounted with the bank if the seller needs fund before the bill maturity. So if the seller or if the company who have got the commercial bill, if it wants the money before the maturity period, then it can discount it from the bank. Today only this much. Thank you.